Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Markets strike back analysis http ntvforex.com news ID 451655 8/13/2020 10:042 am US dollar September USD down at 93.130. Energies September 20 crude is up at 42.78. Financials The September 20 30-year bond is up 16 ticks and trading at 179.09 indices The September S&P 500 MNIES contract is 4 ticks lower and trading at 3,369.00. Gold The August 20th gold contract is trading down at 1944.20 Gold is 48 ticks lower than its close. NBSP Initial conclusion This is not a correlated market. The dollar is down and crude is up, which is normal, but the 30-year bond is trading higher. The financials should always correlate with the US dollar such that if the dollar is lower then bonds should follow and vice versa. The S&P is lower and crude is trading higher, which is correlated. Gold is trading lower, which is not correlated with the US dollar trading down. I tend to believe that gold has an inverse relationship with the US dollar, as when the US dollar is down, gold tends to rise in value and vice versa. Think of it as a seesaw, when one is up the other should be down. I point this out to you to make you aware that when we don't have a correlated market, it means something is wrong. As traders you need to be aware of this and proceed with your eyes wide open. At this time Asia is trading mixed with half the exchanges higher and the other half lower. Currently all of Europe is trading lower. NBSP possible challenges to traders today. Unemployment claims are out at 8:30 am Estate. This is major. Import prices is out at 8:30 am Estate. This is major. Natural gas storage is out at 10:30 am Estate. This is major. 30Y bond auction starts at 1 p.m. Estate major. NBSP Treasuries VE elected to switch gears a bit and show correlation between the 30-year bond ZB and the S&P futures contract. The S&P contract is the Standard & Poor's and the purpose is to show reverse correlation between the two instruments. Remember, it's likened to a seesaw, when up goes up the other should go down and vice versa. Yesterday the ZB made its move at around 8:45 am Estate. The ZB hit a high at around that time and the S&P moved higher. If you look at the charts below, ZB gave a signal at around 8:45 am Estate and the S&P moved higher at around the same time. Look at the charts below and you'll see a pattern for both assets. ZB hit a high at around 8:45 am Estate and the S&P was moving higher shortly thereafter. These charts represent the newest version of multi-charts and I've changed the time frame to a 15-minute chart to display better. This represented a shorting opportunity on the 30-year bond. As a trader you could have netted about 20 ticks per contract on this trade. Each tick is worth $31.25. Please note the front month for the ZB is now September 20. The S&P contract has been changed to September 20. I've changed the format to Renko bars such that it may be more apparent and visible. Charts courtesy of multi-charts built on an AMP platform. NBSP bias. Yesterday we gave the markets an upside bias as the USD, bonds, and gold were all trading lower yesterday morning, and this usually reflects an upside day. The markets didn't disappoint as the Dow gained 290 points and the other indices gained ground as well. Today we aren't dealing with a correlated market and our bias is neutral. Could this change? Of course. Remember, anything can happen in a volatile market. NBSP commentary. Yesterday the markets shook off the news from the Russian vaccine and focused on fundamentals. The markets were poised to go higher and they did. No mystery here, just market correlation in action. Today we have unemployment claims which are taking on a more stronger stance since this pandemic struck. Additionally we have natural gas storage and a 30-year bond auction. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.